I kind of grew up with Taylor as one of my role models, and I just wanted to be like Taylor. But the roles are reversed now, and he wants to be like me, so.
'Cause I'm living my best life.
I didn't know Haley when her and Taylor met. Sorry, you missed out, Haley. But I have been honored to watch the relationship grow and flourish over these last 4 years.
Rise and shine and come alive.
Throughout the past 4 years, we have shed many tears together, been through so many ups and downs.
Beautiful.
Oh my God.
And have shared many, many, many laughs.
Shine for me and you. It's a golden morning, yeah. It's a golden morning.
He didn't want other people to tell him to get down on one knee. He didn't want to get married because other people were telling him to do it. He did it because he wants to do it, and that means a lot to me.
My best friend next to me. The kids are sleeping in, so let's stay under the sheets. Easy like a Sunday.
I truly don't think there's any friend group funnier than ours,
Having breakfast and day with you.
even if we are the only ones who really understand it.
Wake up to a
I know that he has a deep love for Haley, and Haley, I love you and thank you for everything that you do for Taylor. I hope y'all have a long and happy marriage, and I love both of you.
It's a golden morning. No more rain clouds over my
Haley, I am so proud of the woman you are, and I know without a doubt you're going to make an amazing wife to Taylor. You are caring, selfless, and love others so deeply. And the truth is, everyone in this room is better for knowing you.
Taylor Austin, will you take Haley Polk to be your wedded wife, to live together after God's ordinance in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep thee only unto her, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
I, Taylor, take thee, Haley, to be my wedded wife,
I, Taylor, take thee, Haley, to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward.
to have and to hold from this day forward.
I, Haley, take thee, Taylor,
I, Haley, take thee, Taylor,
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Here is to a lifetime of love and happiness. We love y'all. Y'all are gonna do great things. Cheers to the all.
We were on the line, thinking